Look in the trash can. No, look. You put cups in the trash can. You did. They're good cups.
Know how to put them in the sink?
Goes right there. Gets
Yeah,
the little
but
cups
when you put
and
them
then
in
he
the
puts
sink?
them in the trash. Yeah. He's a crazy boy. You gonna walk to Daddy?
No, what about him?
No, Daddy's too far. Daddy's too far. You help him up.
Who? Mommy, there's Mom with him.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Now pull it up.
Hi. Hi. Hi, baby.
And don't fall
Yeah.
into the lava.
You big boy.
Like what?
Oh, should we get a picture? Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Dad doesn't want to watch my movie I picked. I think someone wants your brownies. Look at him. Feed me. That face.
You got a little. Good job.
You did it. Okay.
I'll be right back. Here.
So I was looking up my workouts for this week for running, and I have one drill is what I was doing this week, and then I have a speed workout, which is going to be a little intense because I'm running at a maybe 12, 13 mile, maybe 11 pace, and he's like wants me to try for an 8-mile pace, so that's a lot more. And then my long run is 4 miles next Saturday. 2 is pushing it. He wants me to do 4 next. I'm able to run like slowly, like jog for a longer time, like 5-6 minutes without needing to stop, which is an improvement, but it's only 2 weeks of running. Next week is 3 weeks, so you gonna go to sleep. It's like midnight, buddy. It's midnight. We woke up at 9. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. It's midnight. Let's go to sleep. Yeah. Go to sleep. Oh. Hey, buddy. Whoa. You eating that? Yum, yum. Look, I cleaned the boys' room. And the boys cleaned the living room with Daddy's help. Oh, good morning. It's Monday. We are getting back to life. I just think it's interesting. I haven't been eating the healthiest these last couple days and haven't been feeling the best. And this morning, I was trying to convince myself. I'm gonna convince myself to eat healthy today. Even though even though I feel better, it's just addicting. The other stuff is addicting. I hurt. Hey, buddy. I got my personal record of 13 mile. Riley's being a big girl and wearing underwear. Ghost Spider is.
You mean Ghost Spider?
Mm-hmm. She's doing a good job.
I have one here. Goose Kitty has one here.
Wow, you need to wash your face, bud.
You mean
That one.
and that one. Ah!
She had a poop accident.
Web. So you can I untangle you with my webs.
Mm-hmm. So I mean business this time, and she's gonna keep wearing underwear at night, even though she ends up in her bed some nights. So that will be fun. Well, I had a little incident before dinner because Ethan wasn't napping and I was tired and I was hungry and I wanted to go running and it was getting dark. So I didn't keep to my diet today, but I did eat my soup for breakfast this morning. Someone found Daddy. Yeah, in his laptop.
He found me this morning too, as I was trying to wake up but didn't want to wake up, and then he came and touched my face.
Yeah, you just want to play. It's a playtime. Yeah. We gotta let Daddy work, okay? Say bye, Daddy. It's in the 40s today, so we going running with Mr. Ethan. Hi, buddy. You should take a nap. Hi, bud. Yeah. Got Riley on another little walk, and then the boys should be home. Ethan's still sleeping. Yours looks a little bit better. The snow, it's melting. It's supposed to get cold again, I think, and snow. Jesse said 10 inches. I don't believe it. I don't think it's ever snowed 10 inches here. Like in one snowfall. In the 5 years we lived here. Going on 6. Now we're just waiting for the bus. Playing in the snow. Sleeping. Hi, Riley. I was just looking at the weather, and I think today it's going to be a little bit rainy, but then tomorrow morning it'll start snowing and get colder and stuff. So I think last time they had a snowstorm this winter is big one is like it's going to hit here and here and here and just barely miss us. So we haven't had a really bad one this year yet. Anyways, Michael's teacher was sending him home with some schoolwork in case they had a snow day tomorrow. So where's Riley? There she is. Hi, Riley. You did it! Oh.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Come on, Jared. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Jared, can you say happy birthday, Grandpa?
Yeah. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Happy birthday, Grandpa.
We love you. Hope you had a good birthday.
Yeah. Bye.
Hey, baby. Where you going? It's 12:30. He's wide awake. Baby. Mom. Yeah. No. Are you gonna make a snowman, Michael?
Yeah, the blizzard. Yeah, there's a blizzard.
Snow's coming down pretty good.
No.
Hi. He's making footprints. It's actually pretty deep. There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Do we see Daddy? Ethan. Ethan, look, it's Daddy. Hi. Hi. We got lots of snow on the car.
And William and I have to wipe it off.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. Hi. Yep, this is a good snowstorm. Just think those are pretty trees. Look at those trees. Hi. Yeah.
Only to walk over.
Hi. Look at those pretty trees, Michael. You eating ice cream? You mean snow? Hi, Daddy. Hi, Michael. You gonna make a snowman? What are you doing? Whoa. Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
I want to see.
You see Ethan? He's got a baby bottle. Yeah, you got a baby bottle? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Hi, baby.
Good deal, Dad.
Hi.
Let's
I
go.
think someone needs a tickle.
Not way.
Hi,
We
buddy.
does.
Michael! Michael!
What?
The Forest Shark River! And out the way! Out the way! Run away, Mom! Run away! Michael is on the way with a 10 books coming through!
Oh, goody. This is what Ethan's doing while waiting for Mommy to be done with the bathroom. He's playing with a pillow, aren't you? Yeah. It's off the bed because we had to wash our sheets from Riley's accident last night. Since we're potty training her. And he's been laying his head on the pillow and growling. He might not do it anymore. He just walked from where he crawled just a minute ago. A second ago. He went from there to the bellow by himself and I missed it. This kid's fast when he wants to play with his siblings. Oh my. Just a few minutes ago I found him finally crawling into the bed. Probably trying to hide or something.
I'm gonna go measure how much snow we have so far. We're almost done with the snow for today, it looks like, from the forecast. And we're getting some more tomorrow. This is what our car looks like so far. Looks like it's almost 5.5. Julie can probably correct me when she does that on the vlog, but it's 4.5. I read it wrong. It's not 5.5, it's 4.5. So there you go.
Hi, Betty. I'm not sure. I can't catch you very well. Whoa! You did it! Hey, I'll record you catch him. There he goes. Whoa! There he goes. Whoa! This is the farthest he's walked. Yeah, you walking so good.
Good job.
You gotta toss him in the air, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, baby. Oh my goodness. Are you walking so quick? Are you walking? Hi. Yeah. Look at Daddy. Good job, Betty.
Good job.